Hey, Lawn Dog, so this is why I'm super busy with YouTube and not being able to make it up. Say hi, everybody, to YouTube. Yeah! Let's go. Get ready to play. You're getting ready to watch it. YouTube, play my intro.
My name's Bay and I play second.
My name's Googans and I play shortstop and pitcher.
My name's Chloe and I play left, center, and right. My name's Sage.
Where am I? Oh.
And I play first and pitcher.
My name's Kenzie and I'm the loudest on the team. And I belong in center. Who's next? Pfeiffer, get over here.
Introduce yourself.
Yes, you have
Say
to.
your name and what position you play.
Hi, my name's Elise and I catch.
The other team is shy. Well, the other half of our team is shy. Why did you say shyzies?
Schneizers.
Oh, shnikes.
Hey, and I'm Coach Foster and says, get in the dugout, get ready to play. Packer softball, here we go.
That probably looks sick. Hi, vlog. Chloe. I don't think it was
Thank
on.
you.
Chloe, this is yours.
Oh my God, I love you. Thank you. I missed it.
This is Chloe. You're welcome.
Wow. You guys are sassy. I like it.
They're slow and boring.
Gotta turn the volume up. It looks like Googans is trying to make the Olympic rings over there or something.
Check 3, shoot 1.
Come on, Pfeiffer. Go, go, go! You're up, you're up, you're up! Hold your Savannah, heads up! Heads up, heads up!
Let's go, 11, they can drive it. Come on, Poppy!
Well, lawn dogs, there you have it. Ugh, bag gets heavier every time I lift it. Fremont JV Softball completed its season. And we finished with 4 losses and 23 wins. So 23-4, not bad. But anyway, good season, good season. Couldn't be prouder of the girls. So we're gonna go help varsity out, and hopefully we can get far in playoffs this year, and varsity does well, and get ready for next year. Before I let you go, you're gonna see some bloopers from the girls. Just a couple bloopers, but anyway, always give maximum effort, be kind to everyone. Floyd, Fremont Packers, I'm out. There, now it's recording.
I'm Googans, and I play shortstop and pitcher.
My name's Bayla, and restart. My name's Bay, and I play second.
I'm Googs, and I play shortstop
We
and
just
pitcher.
heard you.
You said go again. You literally said restart.
No, for me, because he can cut parts out. And the rest of the team is coming now. You say your nickname, what we call you on the softball team.
Just restart, ready?
Okay, get out.